Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how I like to do my magic rings. Now I particularly like the magic ring because it gives a really nice neat finish to your work, and you can completely close the center of any project. So where possible, I always like to start with a magic ring for a neater finish. So how I like to do mine is I'm left-handed, so my crochet hook is in my left hand and my working yarn is going to be resting across the back of the two fingers of my right hand here, and my thumb is gently going to hold the yarn whilst I wrap the yarn across the front of my two fingers. I'm then going to bring the yarn back around the back to form a cross here. Then I'm going to gently hold the centre of the cross with my thumb whilst bringing the yarn back across the top. So this now gives me two loops on my fingers, and with my crochet hook I'm going to pop the crochet hook underneath the first yarn, and I'm going to grab the second yarn. I'm going to pull the second yarn underneath the first yarn, and then gently going to turn my hand towards me. I'm going to remove one of my fingers, and then with my left hand here, with my thumb and finger, I'm going to pinch the base of the loop and the top of the circle, and that will just hold that in place whilst I remove my other finger. Then taking your working yarn, just going to pull the end there, and that will just close the loop on your crochet hook. And then we are just going to chain one to secure, so yarn over and pull through the loop, and that secures your magic ring. And this now means when we finish our project, we can pull this end tail and it will fasten and close the circle. So I really hope this tutorial has helped. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for further left-handed crochet tutorials, and I shall see you in the next video.